Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my beautiful hallway light. So this lovely light that I put in my hallway is by FOITTON, and I've got so much to say about it. First of all, look how gorgeous it is. I love that it has this farmhouse look. I love the speckled glass. It looks so pretty. I also love the matte black finish. It's made of metal and glass. It was pretty easy to install. My husband had it up in a matter of moments. It sits flush to the ceiling, which is nice, and I like the glow that it gives off. I'd like to put some Edison bulbs in there. I think that would look really pretty and give the look that I'm going for. Right now it just has the light bulbs that we took out of the other fixture, but there's a lot that you can do with this. It comes with very easy to follow instructions and everything that you need to put it up. Overall, this has just been a wonderful asset. The one that we took out was old and dated, and this one gave my hallway a fresh new look. So overall, I absolutely love this light. I love how bright it is in my hallway. I love that it's given my hallway the modern look that I was looking for. But that's just my point of view.